Hey guys, how's it going? It's Kevin, formerly known as Ninja Slays, something like that. And you may have seen my previous videos where I was teaching you guys how to program and how to create your own very own Discord bot. Now, I was actually feeling very good about those videos. Like, I thought those were quality videos I was actually producing. The problem is that I had a bad computer and it would take like an entire day to render it. And it took like at least 2 days to program it, the bot, get it ready, and make the video because of how bad my computer was. I think I had like 4 gigs of RAM and a 1.2 gigahertz CPU. Now, if you know anything about computers, that is a very bad computer. But now I got a very good computer that can run all that, and now I'll be putting out more videos, probably 1 to 2 a week, probably more. I'll be streaming gaming. I'll be doing all of that now that I have this new computer, and it feels very good to be back on the YouTube grind. Now, today we're just going to restart the series, and it's going to be better than ever. Uh, so let's go ahead and get started, and let's go ahead and start setting up your Discord bot. Now, this might be a little bit like the other one. You probably could still follow the other one. It would still be the exact same. But I just wrote this up, and we're just going to go ahead and go with it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and want to install a text editor. What I'm going to be using is Brackets. This is a very, very nice text editor. I'd show you guys here. I'll show you an example of Operation Kadon. Here is what it looks like. If you're in a program Discord bot, this is my personal bot that I'm currently developing and I have a Patreon for. But we're going to just go ahead, download Brackets, install it, and all that. Now, you're also going to need Node. This is what the Discord bot will run off of. Basically, Node is what's the word? The modules, I guess you could say, that you need to, it'll help you install all the modules you need, discord.js and all that. That's what you will use Node for. You're just going to get the recommended for most users version, the LTS. You're just going to open this, click OK, and you're just going to click Next. And for you, it'll be different, but because I've already installed Node, it's going to ask me to do this. It'll look like this for you probably. You're going to make sure all these are enabled, click Next, and then just keep going through all of it, and you can install it. So after we do this, we're going to go ahead and create a folder for you to program your bot in. Now, I already created a folder for it. You're going to create wherever you want. But once you have that folder, go into the folder, open PowerShell or CMD, and because you have Node installed, you can now run npm install. And we're going to install discord.js. It must be all lowercase, it's cap sensitive, I know, it's kind of annoying. And we're going to write --save. And we're going to wait for it to install. And now you'll see we have a folder and a package lock.json. And here we have all the stuff that we'll need to write our Discord bot. Now, you also want to run npm init. What am I doing? Alright, yeah, npm init. Yes, okay. I don't know what I did there. We're going to run npm init, and so you're going to name the package name. You can name it whatever you want, so we're just going to name it tutorial bot. The version will be 1.0. Oh, 1.0? 1? What's going on here? Okay, so just tab enter, I guess, because apparently that's not going to work. Description, a powerful YouTube bot for YouTube bot. A powerful Discord bot for YouTube. Entry point will be index.js. One set command. We do have a Git repository, but I'm not going to put it. We don't have keywords. Oh, well, we have an author, but whatever. And then we're going to say yes, enter, and there we go. We have a package file now. Now, once we've done doing that, we're going to go ahead and create our Discord API now. You're going to go here to discordapp.com/developer/applications and create a new application. We're going to name it anything we want. We will name it tutorial bot. We're going to name it tutorial bot 2 since I already had one in there. You can name it whatever you want. Doesn't have to be tutorial bot. And then what we're going to do is going to go to bot and add bot. It's going to say it's irreversible, blah, blah. You can put a username in. I'm going to name him the ultimate because it sounds cool. And once we have our bot made, we can go to general information, copy the client ID, we're going to go to Discord permissions calculator, which all the links for everything will be in the description. Don't worry, you won't have to search anything up or anything. Everything will be in the description for you guys. And you're going to take the client ID and paste it right here. And we're going to give it administrator permissions, and then it's going to have a link right here for you to use. You're going to click that link, and you're going to add it to the server that you want to test it on. Click I'm not a robot, go through it, and there you go. Now you'll see the bot has joined the server, but it's offline because we're not running anything. So once we have this, we're going to go ahead and create index.js, which will be the main entry point for our bot. This is where all the main code's going to go, where you can program most of your bot. This is where the brains of your bot will be. So the first thing to get started, we're going to have to name a variable called Discord, which will be the discord.js library. So it's case sensitive again, like the other one, so you're going to have to name it exactly how you installed it. And then you're going to define the client, which will be the Discord bot, like the Discord bot's like session, not session, yeah, session. I guess you could call it a session. We're gonna name it client, and then we're gonna put in a parameter, which will be disable everyone. True. So once you've done that, we can now create a onReady variable so that once we know that our bot is ready, it's gonna tell us. We're going to do client.on, and client.on is a event. It's looking for events. So if this event gets triggered, run this function. So we're going to look for the ready event, and we are going to do an async function, async arrow function, and then we're going to do console.log here, let's just do, we're going to do client username is ready. So what you do is, this is how you put a variable inside of a string. If you're using, you have to use the graves. You see these are graves, how they have like little slanted things. These are apostrophes. These are double quotes. These are single quotes, double quotes, and graves. These are all types of strings that you can put in. They don't really do anything differently, but graves are allowed to put you're allowed to put variables in them using a $sign and a bracket. Now after we do this, I like to set the user activity, which is, if you can see, I am playing OBS as it says right here. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna do client.user.set activity. I think I spelled that right. We're gonna do Kevin's YouTube videos, and we're gonna say that they are watching it. There's 4 different ones. There is streaming, watching, listening, and playing. So if you want to change the type for any of that. So once we've done this, also I think I did this wrong. I think it should be client.user.username. My bad. And we're just gonna go ahead, and then we're gonna look for another event. The next event we're gonna look for is message, so that like if you were going to like send a message, like a command, like say you're going to do ping and you want to respond with pong. That's exactly what we're doing, for example. Then that's how you do this. We're looking for any message sent by a user. It's going to go through this bot, and the bot's going to register that it's there, and we will get to tell if it's going to do anything with it. Now we're going to have an asynchronous function, and we're going to be given the message variable. So the message variable is basically the message. So like if I were to send hi, it has a ton of stuff. Who sent it, what time it was sent at, what it contents, if I can edit it, and all that stuff. That's what the message variable is. So first we're going to check if the user is a bot, and if it is in a direct message conversation, because we don't want our bot to work at that because it could break other things. So we're going to do if the message author is a bot, which would be message.author.bot, or the message.channel type is a DM, we're going to just return, so it doesn't run anything else. And then we're going to let our prefix, you can make your prefix whatever you want. I'm going to make it a question mark because I don't see a lot of bots using question mark. Then we're going to create a variable called message array. which will be the entire message split into a bunch of. So if I were to say send hello world, it would be put into an array with hello. Oops. It would be put into an array with hello and world, like that. And it would keep the case locks and everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to do message array is equal to message.content, and the content will obviously be the contents of the message. And then we're going to split it at every space. So every space that's in it, it's going to split it and delete the space and put it into an array. So then next, we're going to make this command. So the command is going to be equal to the first value in message array. But then we're just going to substring the prefix off of it, so that we get literally just the command. So if you were to run ping, what the thing is actually grabbing is just ping. It's just looking for ping. And then we are going to make it lowercase so that it will not be lowercase, so that it will not be case sensitive, because case sensitive things aren't, people don't like that. We don't want to have to run it. We don't have to do question mark uppercase P like that. We just want to ping any way you like it, caps lock on or off, doesn't matter. Then we're going to get the arguments of the commands. So we're going to do let args equal message array dot slice, and we're going to be slicing off the first value in it, so that we don't want it because we're just getting the arguments of it. And then we're going to dot to lowercase. So now we've done this, we basically set up all the variables we need to create a basic command. The first command we're going to create in this video, the only command we're going to create in this video, is going to be ping, like I demoed already. We're going to do if the command is equal to ping. So if the first message, or the first word in the message, is equal to ping, then we are going to return a reply while using message.reply, and we're going to say pong. And that's almost it. We're almost done programming the bot. Basically, the next thing we have to do is we have to log it in to Discord. What you're going to do is you're going to do client.login with parentheses and quotation marks. Now, hopefully you did not close your developer portal tab, because you're actually going to need to go to the bot section, and you're going to copy your Discord bot token, and you're going to go to brackets, and you're just going to paste that in. Save it. Now, once you've done this, we can go ahead and go to our bot, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a start.bat thing, so I don't have to like go and open PowerShell every time, and I don't have to. So basically, I don't have to open PowerShell and run Node.js. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to do node index.js, save it. Now all I have to do, start this. You can see the ultimate is ready. Let's go check for bots online. Okay, so now you can see the bot is watching my YouTube videos, which is pretty cool. And it says it's online, says it's a bot, and then if we were going to run ping, what happened? We got an error. Forgot a parenthesis somewhere. Where? Oh, I see the problem. We can't do lowercase an entire array. My bad. We're just gonna go ahead and open that up again. We're just gonna run the command. Okay. And it's gonna say pong. Cool. So now you guys have a completely working Discord bot. Now guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos in the future. All the links that we used in this video will be in the description. And I hope you guys stay tuned, because there's a lot of stuff that's going to be coming in the next few weeks. And also, go ahead and check out Displayed. It's part of a video group I'm part of. We do a lot of stuff. We do a lot of cool videos. We should have a video of us building the computer pretty soon. And don't forget to subscribe to PewDiePie. Don't forget that. And I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed. See y'all later.